The 12 jurors who will decide the outcome of the first criminal trial of a former president are an accomplished group of Manhattanites, including lawyers, teachers and other highly educated professionals. In this video, I will explain everything in full. Before we proceed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you are notified when we post any breaking news. On the third day of Donald Trump's hush money trial, Judge Juan Merchan dismissed 2 of the 7 jurors selected Tuesday. But they made up lost ground and selected the remaining 5, as well as 1 alternate. The legal teams will finalize the remaining alternates on Friday. Trump faces 34 felony counts of falsifying business records to cover up a payment issued to porn star Stormy Daniels while Trump was first running for office to keep her quiet about their alleged affair in 2006. In many cases, selecting a jury may be a simple process, but in this case, finding jurors who could be impartial toward Trump proved to be a unique challenge. Here's what we know about the jury. The jury reportedly consists of 7 men and 5 women. Merchan on Thursday asked news organizations to be careful when reporting on jurors and not to provide personal information. The order came after juror number 2, who was selected on Tuesday, was dismissed over concerns that his identity would be made public. She said she heard from her friends and colleagues on Wednesday after her jury selection was reported in the media. However, multiple reports indicate that the jury is made up of 7 men and 5 women. Here's what else we can immediately share. These jurors were selected Tuesday, as reported by CBS News. Juror number 1, the foreperson, is a man who works in sales. He reads the New York Times, the Daily Mail, Fox News and MSNBC, he said. Juror number 3, a corporate lawyer who said he is not very familiar with the other charges Trump faces. Juror number 5, a woman working as a middle school teacher who indicated she doesn't care to follow political news closely. President Trump speaks his mind. I would rather that in a person than someone who's in office and you don't know what they're doing behind the scenes, she said during questioning. Juror number 6, a software engineer who said she can see Trump as a normal person on trial. Juror number 7, a man who is a civil litigator and has children. These jurors were seated Thursday, as reported by CNN. Juror number 8, a retired man, married with 2 kids, who is more interested in his hobbies than news regarding Trump. Juror number 9, a woman with a master's degree who works as a speech therapist. She lives alone. Juror number 10, a man working in retail who does not follow the news, except to listen to psychology podcasts. He is unmarried. Replaced juror number 2, a married investment banker with a master's degree. He follows Trump on social media and read, Trump, The Art of the Deal. Replaced juror number 4, a married man working as a security engineer with a high school degree. He said he is not on social media. Juror number 11, a woman who works for an apparel company and said she did not like the president's persona, calling him selfish and self-serving. Trump's team asked for her to be dismissed but Merchan denied the request. Juror number 12, a married physical therapist with a doctorate and no children. She reads the New York Times, USA Today and CNN. District Attorney Alvin Bragg charged Trump with 34 felony counts of falsifying business records to cover up $130,000 paid to adult film actress Stormy Daniels to stay quiet about a previous sexual encounter they had. Trump has pleaded not guilty to all counts. Trump's former lawyer and fixer Michael Cohen pleaded guilty in 2018 to concealing more than $4 million from the IRS and causing $280,000 in payments to be made to silence 2 women who otherwise planned to speak publicly about their alleged affairs with a presidential candidate, thereby intending to influence the 2016 presidential election, according to court records. Thanks for watching till the end. Please subscribe, like and share.